Hello guys, we are back for another video, and today we're going to show you what my dad got from the Nikes.
You Level Soccer.
Us.
Big
Level
package
stuff.
came today. Right, so should we just rip it open?
What is that?
We'll find out in a minute. You don't really know everything I ordered, do you? Come on, are you going to help me?
Yeah, but
Are you going to help me open it? Yeah.
Oh.
So we have one pair of boots, shoes, trainers, and a slightly smaller another pair of trainers. And we have what else? We have their blurb for invoice. That's quite good at invoice. We've got invoice. No one don't always invoice. So I can give you some of the info here in a minute about what was what and how it's how, and returns advice as well. Yep. So and some other stuff. So some bits and bobs. Boot Buddy, we've reviewed this before. I had some issues with it, but then they resolved it. They fixed it. I think we had some issues with it. I thought I'd get one because it's just like it's going cheap, and it's quite cheap, and it's really good for when the football season starts again. To clean the shoes. Really good.
Yep.
But we'll open that in a minute. We're not doing much review. And
What is? Oh yeah.
t-shirt.
You got
For me.
orange t-shirt.
Well, it was really cheap, so I might as well.
Well, it does match the bottom.
How much was the orange t-shirt? The night t-shirt. £8. Oh no, Boot Buddy £8. £6.40 for the t-shirt. You can't beat that. Right, come on, let's go have a look. So first of all, let's do the packaging. Do the packaging bit. What does it say?
Oh. Nike Revolution.
Revolution.
5HZ GS.
Right, so here it says £37.99, and how much actually did we pay for it? £25.60. Not bad. Come on, open it up then. Have a look. Show them. Look at that. Whoa. They are cool. And there's specific running shoes as well. They're specific for running because, as it says on the bottom, Nike running. So, what do you reckon?
It said on the bottom, non-marking
outsole. So you can use it indoors because some places, you know, what?
No.
They looked at me weird though. Right, so it's non-marking outsole, meaning, you know, when you go into, you know, the school halls and sports centre, the halls, you're not allowed marking insole because they leave marks or it rubs off, but this doesn't, so non-marking insole. Yeah, what do you think?
Let's see the smell first.
Do they smell new? They look new.
Yep.
Sometimes when you get them, it looks like someone else has tried it before you and returned it, and that's really frustrating, but these aren't the case. Have you got some socks on?
I think someone did try it because the laces are out. Wait,
Not on that one. Not on that one. So have you got yours? Have you got socks on?
Nope.
You haven't got socks on? Maybe we should get some socks on. Why don't you go get some socks on? Come on, go on quick. So I'm going to show this size 4.5. I think we're sizing guide, and yeah, they're quite good. So what we're going to do is, while we're waiting, you've got double lace holes here, so you could probably lace both of them if you wanted to, but I think it should be okay. And what we're going to do is just put it through that last one to get locking in more. So just put that in there. That'll lock in place then better. And lock this. Do this on this side as well. So it'll look like you get loose. Do same the other side. Here he comes. You got one. Well done, brilliant. Brilliant. Okay, so is anything else in there? In your box? So
No.
I'll put the lace in so it locks in better. Because this goes in like that. So yeah, you laced it in good, so
There's
this
nothing else.
this will lock it in better. So how do you describe it? Nice? This is how I describe this. It's quite soft, isn't it?
Yeah.
Quite soft? You just twang it. So, this bit,
The bottom's a bit darker than the top.
is it? You've got these nice, what do you think the lace is? The nice kind of,
Yeah, it looks the same as my Let me think. I can't remember what they were.
your other
Do you know
running
those
shoes.
boots where it had the same pattern on? Oh,
The
the Puma-
Predators, Predators, weren't they Predators?
the Pumas.
Okay, Pumas, so you've got the nice,
It was
Pattern on it as
yellow
well.
and black. Yellow and black. The
yeah,
same.
yeah. So these are kind of got nice little accents on them. And you've got a nice bit of Nike Revolution there.
Yeah.
The
The
tongue
tongue is really soft.
The back part where it's going to sit around your, so you don't want it to rub.
It's softer.
Yeah, like what kind of material? Kind of
Cushion.
toweling kind of, soft kind of. The insole. No, you can't take them out. Can't take them out. Don't take the insole out. Don't take the insole. Don't stick it out. So let's try them on before we do anything too drastic with them. Don't try and pull it out. You don't want to pull it out.
Where's the sticker?
This stuff. There's no sticker there. So Nike swoosh look cool. Nike swoosh look cool.
Colour is amazing.
Yeah, cool. Nice colour. I'm not sure what this. What's this bit here?
Let's see.
That
Where is
little
it?
tab bit. Is it just like some design bit? Design bit.
And you can put laces anywhere.
You put laces in there to get probably
Yeah.
more locked in, but I think it'll be pretty locked in anyway. So, what
The
kind of
Nike
socks do you wear when you do your cross country and running? Do you wear thick socks or skinny socks? Thin. This for school, by the way. Sorry, this for school for cross country athletics. What else? Tag rugby.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're gonna have to spray them up definitely because
Are
the
they-
material is kind of not cloth. It's kind of like what is it? It's cloth, but kind of hard cloth. It's got a bit at the front to protect it, and a bit at the front. Really important. This bit to stop it getting damaged at the front. So that kind of
Yeah.
bump a bit, which is good. So when you kind of you don't scrape it.
bottom,
The tread's amazing, isn't it? The grippy bit. It's quite sticky kind of thing.
So trippy.
The thing is, sometimes you have these big block-like treads on the bottom, and then they don't grip as much when it's wet. Well, this I think will grip well, and it's got a gap for the water to get out of the way.
It doesn't bend that much.
Don't worry, you don't need to bend. You need it to flex good.
Oh.
You need
How
to
do you
flex
do
back.
that?
Don't go like that. This is a good thing because it flexes back. So when you run, you're going to go off and it will flex you forward. That's the idea. So right, let's have a go. Let's try them on. Should we try them on?
That's cool.
So let's get this on. Come. Come on. Let's go. Go both lads on. Okay. So we're going to make sure they're not too loose.
Yep. So.
Put it tight.
It's a bit of space.
A bit of space, that's not too bad. It's about a thumb, that's about right. Because your foot, when you do activities as well, your feet do swell a bit as well. So you don't want it too tight.
Yeah.
I don't think it will slip around. Do you want me to give you a hand? So we do it quicker? Or you go, okay. You okay?
I'm nearly done.
Nearly done, okay.
Wait. I can't get it through the hole.
Get tight, get really tight, yeah? Right, now try the other one. Let's try the other one, got both on. So we've got one on. How does it feel?
It feels good, yeah.
Comfortable? Yeah, they look really cool. They look really good. And for the price, well, they're not cheap, but they're good price for what they are. Because it said £38 there, and you've got them for 24.
Yeah.
Yeah, which is a good price. They feel when you put it, they feel like the lace is locked. They don't slip back. That's great.
Elijah's blue pack. One of those mini ones.
Right, come on, let's go over here then. Yeah. So you're wearing thin socks, man. So when you sort of for pee, do you wear thick socks?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's going to feel a bit more snug, but got an idea. So just turn around.
Because our teacher said you need extra socks if your other socks get wet.
Yeah, and the cushion. No, I mean generally in your pee bag, it's thick socks, isn't it?
Yeah.
Bend your foot forward. How does it feel? Does it slip or not?
No.
How did it feel? The heel feel? The heel feel comfortable?
Mm-hmm.
Turn around again. Yep, and again. And show us the back.
They're pretty warm inside.
Are they? Are they feel comfy? Have the grip. Just push off. Push your foot forward. Like you're trying to. It's quite sticky.
Oh.
No, I'm just. Oh, right, okay. Obviously, get the sticker off. Right. So. Yeah, quite sticky.
Yeah.
Just twitch your head around again. Twitch your head, twitch your feet. Yeah, so they look really good. I think they look great. They look amazing. Really nice design. I think I made a good choice here. It's sometimes hard on the internet to know what they're going to look like when you get them, isn't it? They sometimes look better than they are when you actually get them. But I think they look really good. They look better in the flesh than on the actual thing. That's the bottom of them. Yeah. So should we just quickly have a look at the other stuff as well?
Yeah.
Yeah. So okay, you can keep those on now. So we're happy with those. We don't have to return them. Cool.
Okay.
Let's go back here again then.
Let's not do. I think my brother will do a review.
They do, but should we have a quick look at them anyway? Because he's got them out. Yeah? Have a quick look at them.
No.
He's going to do his own
Just
review.
look at the box. Don't look at the.
So these are other ones that he got. These are what he's got. They're pretty cool. They're nice. I'm not sure how much of a kind of running shoe they are.
They look like a hiking shoe.
They look pretty cool actually. They look very cool. So do yours actually. They both look cool. But these are like adult size, only adult size. But I think he's going to like these.
The bottom looks sick.
Bottom of the sign says your one. Yeah, so anyway, he'll probably do his own review on those. So they were on here $69.99, but actually he got them for £40, which is good. So we go through the prices. The top one is Your Shoes Nike Revolution and black and silver, and they were £25.60, and they were originally $38. And then you've got these ones, which are the Nike Flex 2019 Run. They haven't running shoes yet, and they're £40, but originally on this £69.70. So that's a good price. Now my one. Quickly get my t-shirt. Did you get my t-shirt?
It looks
Leary.
cool.
Leary. So this
Let me
is
see
£7.50. It says here sale wise. Okay, but it actually we got it for £6.40.
Like what was it?
£7.50. Got £6.40. £6.40, which is nothing for a Nike t-shirt. So that's why I thought get it, because we had a deal we could get a certain reduction in price if you got over £100, so we got even more discounted. So we did.
Got over £100.
We got £20 discounted.
Ooh.
So if it would have paid the same price as for what we got without the t-shirt, without the boot buddy, it would have been the same price anyway, around probably. So let me just try this on, and you can have a look. Have a look at it on. Do you want to just get the thing on? Okay, so quickly do this. Put it on. So, yeah, what do you think? Feel a bit comfortable? Nike swoosh. It's a bit materially like a textured bit. It's like a material thing. It's like it's been stitched. So not like the normal. Like on the other one, I've got this one. I've got here. This one is dry fit one. I mean, it's a Leary colour, but I don't mind. It looks cool. Looks cool. I think it looks cool. What do you think? The colour?
Yeah.
Right. So on this one, it's like They got this at the Nike store. It's like kind of a stuck-on label. It's like a sticky, plasticky one, but this is actually like a stitching. Not very uncomfortable or anything. And then you've got
There's those armpit
sign vents here. Yeah.
Wait, let me see it. Where is it?
Are they like perforated, little holes in them? Yeah, so that's for, I suppose, letting air in or whatever. They go all the way down?
Yeah.
They go all the way down, cool. And likewise on the other side as well. From the back. How do they look?
Yeah.
Cool, I think it's comfortable. Feels really nice and comfortable, feel really light. It's got this kind of normal kind of fit where they fold it over, it feels nice and comfortable. There's nothing uncomfortable about it, and it seems to fit well. Sometimes you get a fitting wrong, and this is a large dry fit, Nike Dry. Fabrics move sweat from your skin for quicker evaporation, help you stay dry, comfortable and focus on the task at hand, which is normally running and stuff like that when you wear this kind of gear. Yeah, same kind of thing, different lingo. And that was a large, so that's how much it was. Originally $14.99, we got it for £6.50, which is a really good price.
Well, it says sale 7.
Yeah, £7.50, but it's even cheaper.
Yeah.
Okay, so last thing I'll just show you here. Boot Buddy, we've done a review of these are quite good. You fill it up with water here. You should just open it anyway.
Yeah.
Should just open it anyway, quickly. Right, let me just quickly get some scissors. That's where they just spend people's time. So what you do, I'll just cut this open here. We've got another one, but it's getting a bit mashed up. So, brilliant idea. Fill this with water, this bit. Close this up. Unlock this. Squeeze it, and the water comes out when you brush, and the water comes out, and it's really good. Really good.
Do that again?
Yeah, so like that.
Yeah.
Once you filled it up, you have to make sure it's closed when you fill it because it just starts pouring out. Not a lot, but it starts pouring out. So close that. Fill it up with water in there. Put a lid, close the lid, and then you squeeze it, open it up, squeeze it, and water comes out and you brush it at the same time. So water's coming out as you brush it.
That blue thing.
Yeah, squeeze the blue thing, yeah. And that's it. And yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Water comes out and you just brush it. It's quite good. You can see it on the adverts. Kind of demonstrating it there, how it's used. Prolonged lifespan of your foot. I don't know about that. Clean, done about minutes to clean. Less time cleaning, more time playing. Leave the outdoors.
I think it takes hours, not minutes.
Yeah. So that's the idea. Fill up water. You use the bottom bit. Oh yeah, the other thing you can do. Yeah, good point. This can be used to scrape the grass off between the studs, so the bulk of it you can get off, and then you can you unlock it, and then you just water, scrub, and clean. So it's good. It is really good thing. And that was, how much was that on this? All from Lovell Soccer. That was £8, and from the price originally $12.99. So £8, but it looks suspiciously like something from Sports Direct, that label. Sports Direct label, but yeah. Anyway, yeah, a good price, good stuff. I think we've got a good bit of we got a nice bit of thing this time around, didn't we? Yeah. So should we finish then?
Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Peace.
Bye.